What's up, YouTube? Figure I'd hop on live with you all for a bit, see if I can't catch us something together. GrizzlyTrades.com is where you can find a link to all my socials and a link to Take Profit Trader if you want to try them out for to get some funded accounts. Use code Grizzly. So let's just get rolling. I created an orb strategy as well. This isn't the bot that I'm talking about releasing, but I created an orb strategy and we're gonna try if it confirms today, or I am. Never recommend. Hold on a second. My phone. Can everyone see my screen? My phone went black for a second. So let's see if we can, this new strategy I created for the orb, let's see if it confirms. You all can feel free to trade with me if you like. I never, want you all losing money, so take trades at your own risk, okay? You all know the risk here. Good morning, good morning. Sipping some coffee. Hanging out with you all. Any questions you all have, just drop in chat. Caught any trades yet? Anyone?
No, I'm just waiting.
It's good morning to be patient with the Fed speaker. Nice.
Okay, let's see what we can get cooking. Can I get a Team Bull t-shirt for my 4-year anniversary in August? Oh, hell yeah, you can. Of course you can. You wish.
I'm the worst.
Just may receive.
Frida?
4 minutes until our opening.
Yeah, I can give you one, Frida. You have to DM me on Instagram. Nice, Steven.
Let's see. I would love to see a push up in the supply and a downtrend the rest
Yeah,
of the day.
George,
That would be our
you can have one as well.
ideal situation today.
DM me on Instagram. Did I say that right?
Ideal trade setup today, without a doubt. As for now, I'm just going to stay patient, wait, trade smart, trade safe when the time comes.
Oh, yeah. If you don't want to wait on the free accounts, go to grizzlytrades.com, click on Take Profit, use code Grizzly. One of the best in the game. Warrior, I'm pretty sure I've gave you a couple things.
You're 42 daydreamer, man. Thank you for 4 years. It's incredible. You're like true OGs.
Trying a new orb strategy here with you all today. See if it confirms.
Still, we'll watch this range here.
See, Trent, I like being low-key, to be honest. We make plenty of money. I live a nice, simple life.
Check. We can get some sort of 15-minute reversal sign in the next candle or two.
What is this?
That's what I'll look for a push down for a short entry.
It's an orb. Alex, see if we get confirmation.
Wants to be A+. Said it's actually crazy. It's actually awesome to see how much Team Bull has changed in that time. So much value added. It's crazy. That's amazing. It means a lot. Thank you. Y'all are the goats for real. I remember when Grizzly first joined. You get on voice and there was construction in the background.
Yeah. Remember that? I remember that well.
Seriously, bro.
The guys that were under me loved it when I was trading because I didn't mess with them as much.
There I go. Thank God Boss Man's trading to leave us alone. That's crazy, bro. They're on there talking about trading and churning butter. What does that even mean?
You say you want to churn some butter?
I know you want to. The master butter churner.
You milk the cow, I'll churn it.
Okay, let's see. Don't reject quite yet. Just give us a little more. Well, a little more than we can reject, then that's fine. Just a little more than we can reject. I'm okay with that.
I'm watching this setup here, everyone. Oh, if I miss a question, that's what I'm doing.
What are you watching?
I've got a new orb strategy I'm trying today. Waiting on it to confirm. It's completely different from the one we usually trade.
Well, we know that you're a master of creating new strategies. Looking forward to seeing it. You were crushing the data strategy. Brandon crushing the BSI.
Yeah, the BSI.
Don't reject.
Did I quit construction? I've been doing this full time, everyone, for like. See, I'm 34 now. I turned 34 this month. I think I was 28 when I quit. Sounds about right, I guess.
All right, opening range is set, my friends. Have have to delete this big, ugly red box. Horizontal array. And boom. Okay. We're rocking and rolling. Rocking and rolling, baby.
If you all have any questions, YouTube, drop them in chat. Not as many people on here because I didn't really say I was going live today on my socials. So
as usual, most of my trades have been happening 45 minutes, an hour in or so, give or take. Staying super patient. You watching anything, Greg? Got anything on watch?
Waiting for some kind of retest. Just waiting.
So,
Just looking at this price action right now.
would have rather seen us wait.
we got 10 a.m. Home sales as well. New home sales, rather. Well, I'm still trading person after the bot comes out. Yeah, I'm still gonna trade with you all. It's part of my life, you know, hanging out with you all, trading. So, what else I'm gonna do? Besides eat steak, lift weights, and raise my daughters. That's it.
Okay, let's see. Let all of our time frames fire. Just waiting for the setup. Let's go ahead here. Let's draw out. There we go.
Because price action, if I take the lunch now, because QQQ is above daily zone right now. Reason why I like the lunch because QQQ is above 506.
I think Greg said he's watching longs or something. I'm not watching anything right now. I'm gonna wait and see if this new strategy confirms today.
Just looking price action right now.
Let's see here. We got solid.
Why did I stop construction?
Solid cell came
I did it for 10 years straight,
pop up.
and I just was well established, and I decided to do this full time. That's basically it. I travel too, and I get to spend a lot more time with my family, you know. Now, that wasn't my only job then. I had a side company as well.
Inside that first 15-minute range.
Come on, give us a trade. That's right, Matthew. Plus, it's just nice waking up and just be able to do whatever you want, to be honest. I mean, I know that sounds a little whatever, but that's the truth. No better feeling to be able to wake up and do exactly what I want every single day.
NQ lunch right now.
Greg said he tried some NQ longs. Not a trade I'm taking, but
Greg, with NQ loans, what was your entry at?
Entry 907.
it's not even close.
Still just staying patient. Still just staying patient. Gotta tell you, Greg, not to fade you, but I was looking, still am looking for the failure in shorts. Hope your position works out with it. The only long bias I have is if we build above this 950. with my 821, but unless we build above this, I likely
The key to making it, like
or
getting.
some sort of reversal at the bottom with the volume confirmation.
Hold on, let me mute Team Bull just a second. YouTube, the key to like doing well in life, it's just not trading alone. You're gonna have to build other incomes. But whatever you're good at, you know a lot about, use that to your advantage. And the only way you're ever gonna, I don't care how much money you make, if you have bad money management skills, you're just gonna spend it all or waste it. So something to work on while you're building up to, living the life you want every day. Just a little tip. Life is a grind. You just gotta be consistent and put in the work and just keep on grinding every day. Some days you just want to lay down and die, but you just gotta keep going. The bot's finished. One of them are. Not dropped yet. Oh, not anymore. Well, it's kind of close, but all my other stuff's overtaking it. Let's see if we get any confirmation from this new strategy I created. That's what I'm looking forward to this morning. Yeah, definitely was Zen. For sure. Just I've been back testing the orb strategy. And I probably will still get this more accurate, the strategy I'm working on. This one right now has about a 1.4 profit factor, the one we're watching, with like a 55% win rate. Which is good. It doesn't seem great thinking 55%, but I think I can get it a little higher for us on the orb. But the bot that I finished, I'm testing in the background. You won't see it here. It's got like a 60+% and like a 1.7. So it's pretty good. If I can get it to, work right. It's the same, it's an orb strat, Tony. It's something I'm testing. If you all want me to turn on Grizzology and not wait on the new strat, I can. Brandon, the way I'm created this is for trading view. So you can link whatever broker you would like to it. The new bot, from what I see, like bots, they range. Some people try to rip people off like, okay, $7,000, you can buy this bot. I'm not going to do anything like that. If I drop it, it's going to be like, I don't know, 100, 200, somewhere in there a month. Something affordable that you can actually make your money back while using it, if it works like that. It's not going to be like, it's not always passive. So you have to manage it. You have to be there. You have to understand how it works. But I took on the learning curve for you all, so I can just simplify it, make a video for you, or walk you through it, the setup. Not for sure the price. It may change, everyone. I just got to do some research. I'm not worried about the price right now. I'm worried about getting it where it actually works. It's not some, not something out here selling something that don't have any value. Free trial. That's a good idea, Steve. We'll see about it. Let me know if something confirms on my screen, everyone. I'm not always looking at the screen in front of you all. I got other screens up. My stomach is growling again this morning. Guess it's just likes to growl in the morning. Greg took a long trade earlier. I don't know if he's still in. Everyone, we need to be extra careful trading though in this market. We got to be very picky. Sniper entries. People have been getting smoked the first 15, 30 minutes market. So why do you all think I'm working on all these bots and these trading automations now? It's getting harder for me to trade these markets, or I'm just getting burned out. One of the two. It's getting more difficult. That's exactly right what Corey said. If we could always follow our rules, if we always had that discipline, we'd be, you know, I feel like anyone could be profitable trading. But that's where it comes down to. And this market has been frustrating. This is a different market. Can we get the likes up to 100 at least? I know there's not a ton of us here this morning, but I gotta talk to Team Bull for a second. I'm just waiting on a setup here. I'll let you know if I take anything, Team Bull, as always. No, it did nothing. What did it come in at? I didn't even see it pop up on my screen.
Come on, keep going, keep going. You're above the zone. Come on. Pump.
Just added a little more confirmation in Steve, basically what it is. It's nothing fancy, you know, but I think I've put together the right recipe. We'll see. I'm still gonna work on it. I'm gonna work on it more today after I get off the live. So hopefully I have it more accurate for us next week live trading.
So this candle closes.
We'll try it out.
keep my eyes on ES too. I haven't been doing that as much lately, but sometimes they've been a little better opportunity on ES occasionally. Sometimes NQ, sometimes ES.
Yep, we got the 3-day weekend, everyone. What do we do on short weeks, though? Next week, on short weeks, we go a little lighter. They don't always make the most sense with technical, so. I just want to see this confirm. Watch it not confirm today at all. Can thumbs up a little more up top. Let's get it to 100, everyone. Hit the likes. New home sales are up. What's up, Honda?
Better keep going. Hopefully it gives you a high day, bro.
Yeah, so far 10 points in profit, so keep going.
What's up, Tony? What'd you say? What I miss?
15-minute chart is giving me no confirmations yet. None yet. Just stay patient. Hopefully you get your new bit of high day.
Stop loss break even.
Oh, gotcha. I should have put that together, I guess.
For small group. Let's see.
Give it to you, Greg. Yeah, that's some huevos holding through that. Kudos to you. Kudos to you, bro.
And it seems like QPQ is above this daily week, and I trust a lot the daily week songs.
5-minute close above here. Still no longs for me. Hopefully it'll work out for you. 15-minute chart's giving me mixed signals. You can see we have this indecision hanging man here. Decent looking to the downside, but right now it's looking like we're going to close above this. So we broke these previous highs. Just have to wait for me. Trading style is a little more boring, but comes with what's been a very high win rate. Just takes some. And it's nuts the size of eggs holding through that.
You never know what they're gonna say on
Guys, this is one overjoke.
the Zoom.
Use your trade if I killed this morning. Thank you, Jen. Seriously, it means the world.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Keep going. Huevos grandes. Yeah, guys, when you trust the song, that's what happened, you know. Trust your plan.
Huevos grande. Muchas huevos grande.
Big X.
Timbo S has muchas huevos grande. Lots of big eggs.
Bolas. You can say bolas.
Bolas.
Yes.
Bolas el steel. Balls of steel. Is that how you say that?
Bolas de acero.
Oh, we got bowling balls for marbles.
Stop loss is still a break even, guys. I'm waiting for a big push to be up.
Every once in a while, troll drop in YouTube. You just gotta ignore them.
Okay, you guys, so far 40 points very soon. 40 points very soon. Leave my baby. Come on. Taking one more here just in case. Stop loss still a break here.
Come on.
Okay, stop loss line in profit now. They're gonna stop me out, they're gonna continue pumping.
No, I'm here, profit farmer. I'm not going.
As a reminder, guys, we're going to be giving away over 30 more fund accounts too once the market settles. Just we're trying to focus on trading right now. Greg's gonna trade. I'm looking for trades. Grizzly's looking for trades. Just stay patient.
Grizzly.
Give it.
Oh,
What's up?
I said Grizzly's just enjoying having other people on voice with him.
Yeah.
I don't have to do all the talking.
Keep going, guys, keep going.
I didn't know bears talk. I thought you roared.
Roar.
So we're approaching to VWAP right now. We would like to see that big push. So VWAP.
So that's the sound I thought you made, Grizzly.
Thanks, Green Eyes.
You calling me? Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Just waiting on a
Grizzly,
entry
Grizzly
here
roared for
on
us,
this
bro.
15-minute range.
Greg's tried to play out. I'd pay anything to hear a nice big loud Grizzly roar.
I guess I need to pick some winners though. And Team Bull.
Yeah, you should only take profit trader account while we're waiting.
Alright, who wants one? Team Bull?
That's about to go absolutely bananas.
And remember, if you don't want to wait on the free,
saying that, Grizzly.
if you don't want to wait on the free account, you can always use code Grizzly with Take Profit.
Me.
Izzy, you made a big mistake saying that, bro.
Pick me, Grizz, pick me.
Let's see here.
Grizzly, pick me. Boing.
Slowly looking through all the names here. Whoever's been rude to me before, marking them off. I'm playing.
Okay, you used to talk crap that one time.
Yep, I remember. Wrote it down. Vegas Made 87. You can DM me, I'll give you one. Chappie, I'll give you one. Let's see, I'm just scrolling down and picking randoms. J Trades, DM me. I'll send it over.
Hey, there's one. We'll give out the other two.
No, I already picked the other two. I've got 3.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Well, damn. Well, no more take profits. I gave GD 5 accounts to give away for his stream just to be friendly.
I already gave away some on the YouTube live, everyone, this morning, if you missed it.
I just realized we had good GD account. Sorry, Brandon. Love you, bud. Well, we got what? So we got 25 more Apex accounts to give away then, because we gave away 5. Gave GD 5. Nice job, Greg. Here you go. There's your trade.
Thank you. streaming.
Slow down, but there you go.
That's what I was waiting for.
YouTube, if you have any questions, drop them in chat, my friends.
Who had the big balls holding with me?
Who's huevos machistos or whatever the heck it was. I don't know. Whatever the hell you said. I don't know. Huevos grande. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I guess.
That's what I'm saying. Huevos
It should confirm for us.
I want to speak Spanish. I should.
Let me check something real quick,
My aunt
YouTube.
speaks Spanish. My kid's gonna know. My kid is learning Spanish. Ryker's learning Spanish. He's gonna be talking shit to me in Spanish. I'm gonna have to call Greg to translate. Greg, my 2-year-old's yelling at me in Spanish. I don't know what he's saying.
I will try to translate in a nice way. Yeah, man. This trade took a while, guys. This trade took a while. A lot of patience.
You hit 20,100. If we confirm this candle and the tape to the downside, it's the only try I have for shorts. Is that 20,100 to, I guess the high was 21,055. That whole zone we had marked out earlier is my main supply area reject.
That's good.
Main watch.
2K profit. That's nice. 600. Beautiful. Nigel also making money with the loans. And my stop loss on this trade, to be honest, was the price action on the QQQ daily zone. Price action was still good on the zone. Reason why is I kept holding them. I didn't have a fixed stop loss because I was looking the price action at the top of the QQQ zone 506. Reason why I hold it. 6K profit, beautiful, 400, 1.4K. Beautiful, people making beautiful morning on Friday. Keep pumping, baby. Let's see if we can get the level 21040. 21040.
We get there, I will 100% try shorts. I want you to know that right now.
Mega trade is getting close, guys.
Keep in mind, everyone on YouTube, the strategy I'm trying today is still in the beginning stages. Long ways to go, so if you take it at your own risk. It will show confirmation on the chart, though, if it confirms.
30 more points, guys. 30 more points for mega trade level.
Looking to, I have a high risk trade setting up for shorts if we ended up staying that liquidity up at 994. High risk trade setting up for shorts. If we come up 2994, it'd be invalid. I'll let you guys know.
Waiting on some confirmation here. I'll let you know if I take something, my friends.
Only issue I have is we have a massive trend on pre-market. We could, technically speaking, take the longs at 950. That is an option, as you guys can see on the screen share. If we break down, move on up, I just have been watching that supply zone all morning. We had an aggressive downtrend pre-market. You guys can see lots of unfilled orders left in here, so I would have liked to have seen it move up and move down quick. That's been my main watch all morning. But we touch 950 area. I'm open to a long try if we wake up and we just have to stop out. Have to keep stops below that 5-minute wick.
We're in a fair value gap on NQ right now, everyone.
Just not sold on the bounce back quite at 955.
Come on, baby, give us a mega trade.
Alright. Tested a small size of the longs. I'm going to keep about a 15, 20 point stop on this. Just low size. Hard stops are at 40. So I didn't get a great fill on that. I did try the longs and try them anywhere from 55, 60 to 50, but stops have to be below 40. If we fail this high, I'll look for a downside entry. It's my main watch this morning, but I will try the system. Hard stops are set.
What did Jay Dunn take? I didn't hear.
Quarter, third size on this.
What'd you take, Jay Dunn? I missed that.
I tried the longs in that retest
Okay.
of the 15-minute high.
Jay Dunn took some longs, everyone.
Just in case we get the move up. It's not my favorite setup, so I'm willing to start my damn loss. I'll lose about. Well, I took this on the funded, so probably 170, 180 in account. It's testing the zone. Hasn't stopped me quite yet.
No trades for me yet, YouTube. Being patient here. If you have questions, whatever, just let me know.
So I'm willing to take a loss in my first trade.
What you all got going on this weekend? Anything fun? For those that just joined.
Solid 7 out of 10 times it'll work out. And I have hard stops. Hard stop is set at 40, so it's about 6 points away.
That's what I'm talking about. Row
So
tide.
it's up to me if it hits the stop.
I'm gonna grill out too.
Just stop me. Gosh dang it. So that lost 219 per account. 219 per account. I still like my short side setup too if we can confirm the downside. My downside is my main watch today, but that trade did not work out. Hard stop me at 40. I still like my idea of downside. 15-minute looks solid. Touched into my supply zone.
Starting to look like a good short entry here, but I want to wait on something. I want to see if we confirm this new strategy.
0 for 1 on the day. Started with an L. An L ski. Sorry, fellas. Right, so I kept it contained. Saved about 20 points worth of risk on that. I still like the downside. The only other watch I have is if we
It's gonna be weird not trading with you all Monday because of the
try to show
Memorial
the
Day.
watch all morning.
market being closed.
And if we keep trending up, it'll probably be.
My God, corner risk thing.
Depending on the size of the loss, I'll be done for the day. But I still like the downside.
This is a
over 20 points.
a little extra
on the downside.
confirmation with the orb. That's all it is
Make up.
with the orb strategy.
200 per account.
NQ loans close, guys. Last one was top out profit. So beautiful trade.
I do celebrate Memorial Day. Just grill out, basically.
Bias to downside, but have to follow.
May ride my side by side some today.
A decent volume on that move up, touch back down into those highs. A lot of times it'll work. Just had to take the loss as it saw fit, and ended up saving 20, 30 points of risk. But the upside on that was that if we touched high a day and more, that would have been a 40+ point trade. And to me, that's good risk reward.
I've never been to Canada. I've always wanted to go up there hunting, fishing.
Most likely I'm done for today, guys. I took that massive trade. Beautiful profit. So I think that's my last trade for today.
Let's see.
The are they gonna wreck the potential 58-day win streak today? I don't think so. And they're really gonna JSI me, huh? They're really gonna JSI me, huh?
Yeah, man. They were for the
That's dirty.
2 minutes time frame. They came down. We test that order block there. 2 minutes and then they pumped it. I just put my stop loss above that.
They're gonna JSI me, huh? Which was good risk management, but still annoying if they end up pumping it.
I'm not convinced of anything yet.
Anyways, last runners to buying profit and now they're heading for the mega trade. Who's still holding in kilos?
That is just sickening what it's doing. I can't believe that, bro.
I don't know how you feel.
That's crazy. It's alright.
Yep.
It's alright. We manage the risk.
So Mr. Luke still in longs. Here for that. So Luke, what is your mega trade level? Mine was 007. No anymore. I know how you feel.
And well, the idea was right. Just we can't really do anything about them wicking it down.
You probably wonder why I'm not in yet. One thing, I'm waiting on the new strategy I'm testing, and another, we have previous day low right above us.
And we didn't have
Well,
that.
40 points above us, and we have the 50%.
It's annoying.
The 50% area on the fair value gap is at 21,012. So we could reject that area hard. That's why I haven't entered longs U2. I know it looks good. Looking at the price action, if we didn't have that level above us, I would try longs. But
in a sense, and kept it small, but still.
could be a better trade. Better
There's just no situation.
short entry could be much better than the long entry here.
Through 50 points of drawdown, 60 points of drawdown, so it is what it is. Get what you get, don't throw a fit.
Thank you for joining, Peter. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I mean, that trade will work and not going to that amount of drawdown a lot most of the time.
What's up, Spartan? I'm here.
Let's see, the charts are both standing long again. I'm just
At least you're building discipline.
this area we're in throws me off a little bit. I'm gonna get wicked out and then popped again. So just gonna stay patient. Wait for my entry.
Appreciate that, Paul. Let's get, yeah, hit the like button. 20 likes, all we need.
I will not be taking any retests on lungs. Won't be taking any retests. Could work out, but not until we see some sort of confirmation out of this zone.
All right.
Hey, nice job. Nice job, Azad. Still got some wiggle room. Even if I were to take another white size trade, it would technically give me more. Give me a little more room to have another small loss or have a bigger size loss with less position size. Just staying patient. The only trade I like right now is still a rejection of my previous supply.
Random red and green line popped up. It's trying to confirm.
Started off some long loss days.
Trying to confirm.
Not so much too.
What's up?
Got anything you like, Crazy Glock?
Still just waiting.
It's nice, J Queen. Nice way to start the weekend. Nice way to start the weekend. Yeah, my day is going good. How's your day going?
Hope. We're just consolidating, everyone. We're gonna make a move. The amount of bots on Twitter/X is insane. Anything you post, 50 bots automatically just comment on it. I don't understand why they don't do something about that.
They really got me on that pushback down, huh? That was dirty. Those
I'm just talking about like the spam bots where it's like spam. Oh, follow this person, blah blah blah. That's what I was referring to on X. Yeah, I'm still watching Mike K. If I take one, I'll let you know. See if we can break out of this consolidation.
Nice hustle, making money. Huh? AZ making money. Can I call you hustle? I cannot. Can I call you AZ?
Staying super patient, guys.
It's this trading strategy email. We're still working on it, the coding. My legs are getting tired.
Longs look like they're gonna play out for anyone holding them. Just trying to stay patient for myself after a loss on the first trade. I mean, it wasn't full size, so that's good, I guess.
Know one thing, there'll be a lot of people shooting guns here in Tennessee this weekend for Memorial Day. That's all you're gonna hear. I just picture someone like trying to time this move either way, just keep getting in and out.
Happens still, Crowning. As long as you manage your risk, it's cool. Good days are fine. Even if you have a whole week that's red, as long as your risk is managed, it's fine. As long as you're not blowing up.
Oh yeah, definitely not doing that.
The day is still young. The day is still young.
So is J-Dub.
So am I. As long as this red day don't age me. Oh. Oh.
All right, I'll check in a bit Vegas once we finish up the trading session.
What?
I was talking to Vegas in the chat there.
It's looking like the longs want to play out still. And no short sign for me quite yet. If we break the structure, I'm open to it. 15 isn't showing me a lot. Hourly's not showing me a lot. I still like that idea though, that 2140 to 2150. That range for sure. I still like that range up there.
I'm determined to see if this plays out, YouTube.
Stay patient.
Determined. How many contracts will I trade? If I trade NQ, probably just a couple.
Even if I had taken longs, there would have been stopped up below that candle low. No positions for me.
I trade MNQ, I'll probably go with 10, I guess.
$5.70.
Crazy price action.
No, it's insane. Not insane, but insanely annoying.
So I have, remember guys, the level 040 and 072. Two daily levels together. Important ones. 21040 and 21072.
No trades yet.
Also, we have a new 4-hour level which is 092.
Well, thank you, Jake. Appreciate you, bro.
So we have important levels together. Zero 072, 092. If they go to this zone, maybe they're gonna be playing around between these three levels. Probably dump. Who knows? In theory, if they go there, around that area, dumping should be coming. Big dump. Price action.
I hope so.
Yeah, 040 is the main daily. 072 is also important daily. 092 is a 4-hour level. When you have three levels like that together, sometimes what I have noticed is they go inside and they play around with these two levels. You know, grabbing liquidity between these levels and then dump. When it's gonna dump happen? Maybe soon or maybe in the afternoon. Who knows? Right now you see we are standing by here around this area, maybe getting strength to go inside these levels. I think that's what they're doing right now. They are getting power to go inside this level. I think. Price action. Yeah, price action is tricky. Even the 1 hour time frame, 15 minute time frame is a little tricky. But
All right,
if you raise
market, you got me for a little bit longer. Make a move, or I am going.
we bounced from the 4-hour level 77, and this is where we got all these massive.
Grisology confirmed longs on the previous 5-minute candle, everyone, but I don't want to take them because we were in this fair value gap. It just confirmed with the retest entry on the orb. That's it. That's the only confirmation. Nope, no bias here. Honestly, I think in shorts more, personally. If I had to pick, because we have that previous day, we have VWAP right here. previous day low. We're in a fair value, bearish fair value gap.
Resistance area, that 85 to 100.
So I would say shorts if I was guessing, but
We're making higher.
we don't take trades based off of my guess. So
when these two things contradict each other, and just staying patient, especially after a first trade is a loss like I had today.
could go either way though, because we're consolidating, right? Everyone can see we're just consolidating. It could break either way.
120 point loss for me today so far. Kept it small.
It may rip up, but I don't know if you all was in my Instagram live, but I have a possible reject zone that starts at this 2100 and goes to 21040.
You guys are gonna be leaving?
You out for the day, Greg?
Yes, sir. After that trade, I'm happy. I'm just sharing these levels with you guys. I just pasted on the chat the levels to keep eyes on.
Volume not the best.
Watch price action. Take the decision accordingly.
Everyone's taking off for the 3-day weekend, huh?
I wish you have a nice
They said,
weekend.
I want a 4-day.
The barbecue, the fried chicken,
Thank you.
burger, hot dogs,
House coach.
sushi.
I would say your name, but I don't know how to say it.
Dice your hot dogs, sushi, and pasta.
I don't want to mispronounce it.
Okay, guys, take care. Take care, Jason.
See you, bro. Nice trade this morning.
Thank you. Take care, Grizzly.
Huevos machitos.
Huevos.
Have a good weekend, Greg.
You too, Grizzly. Take care. Take care, T-Pool family. Let me know if the levels works. They should work. Bye-bye.
Fabiola.
And GD had a loss the first two, and then nice win afterwards. Gotta reenact it.
Starting to like the downside.
I know, I'm open to it too. Looks like we may have some trap buyers up there. We'll see. If you can break out of the structure, I'm open to it. It's not gonna rush anything. You let me know, Grizzly. I'll ride with you. We get up to 60 to 70 again. We're going to try the shorts. Other time frames are starting to look decent. We'll just love to see this close week retest. You know. That's what I would love to see. If it sweeps me out again, just get cooked. We have 2 losses for the day. Well, nothing more than to see a nice close, retest, dump.
This market's got me for 8 more minutes.
Come on, give us something worthwhile.
I have not.
I'm working on it, Brian. Liking the shorts, just want to see a close pop up. Define the risk, keep writing it down. I'm going to start a tiny short position in the 30s, guys. Very small ads. Right here is fine. 30. I'd like to see up to 50 with stops above 70. I did try a very, very small piece, though. Just in
I
case.
think Jay done started some shorts.
Move.
It doesn't look horrible, but it doesn't match my strategy, so I can't take it.
Shorts up there. I have room to add.
I'm gonna sit down for a minute.
So just in case. So at the bottom. That was nice, huh? I broke the structure, so if we end up popping back up to my stop at 70, that's accounted for. It's a little wider, but it's also less position size. I have room to add once more at 40 to 50. We broke the structure to the downside. If we end up ripping back up, I'll likely take my red day and move forward. I did try it at 30 just in case. I have a lot of wiggle room, so more of a trend to play. I want to see if we can continue this move down based on the 5-minute and 15-minute. If we end up trending back up, go above that 70, it will show that I am wrong on the bias. The structure has not been broken. I'll take my loss. You can see what I'm looking at here on the screen. We rejected this aggressive impulse area, broke structure to the downside at increasing volume, and I have a hard stop set just in case of any news. So it'd be a 40-point loss in the smaller position. And that's my main, it's the only other setup I have today. I'd like to see him move down to 900 first. So let's see Let's see. $20 so far, guys. 20 points so far.
There you go, Honda.
For the first trade, we're at 1-1 for the day, so feel free to manage you see fit. I'd like to see 900. I would like to see 900 out of this. But we're up 20 points so far. I'm going to go ahead and take a few of my contracts off just to minimize my risk at 20 points. Now it's 18. So that's
At least you made some money, Honda. I like seeing someone make some money in here, even though I haven't taken a trade.
Going sub 900. But just in case. We're at 20 points again here. I'd like to see at least, for a solid trim, 900. 30 plus points. I think if we can hold this down here, we can get a really nice trend move to the downside. I'm going to go ahead here too and put on this particular trade because we're getting this.
Interesting. Well, I don't think we're going to catch one, YouTube. If it confirms, though, I'll post a picture of it on my Instagram, show you all what we're waiting for. On the new strategy we're testing. But I'll see you all next week for some live trading, okay?